Okay, quick thing on fog lights. Even though I got mine halfway pulled out, if you're lucky, you'll have these cool little black things. It's got a Phillips head in it, but they're really not. It's just a little pin, so you kind of just got to pry it out a little bit carefully. This has got two 10mm head bolts in there. You take it out and you basically pull it out of the side. It's got a little tab like that. And then you simply unscrew this thing. That comes off. There's a connector in there. What you actually have is a little halogen bulb. It's got a little wire in there. Sorry. A little wire in there. That pops up. The bulb comes out. Provided you don't tie it up. And there's your bulb. So as long as your fog light isn't broken, this is most likely, you can see that one's burnt out. I went and got a couple of spares. I realized that's what it was, so I'm probably taking these back. Connectors and everything work. I think I have one of these somewhere if I can go find it. If not, I'll get a couple of replacements. And while I was at the junkyard, I actually pulled those two little dealies off, which I didn't have on mine. So I'm golden. So anyway, that's what you got. That's how it comes out. It's a little grommet that thing pulls out. So if it's flopping around in there, something may have happened to your mount, or it goes in the side, or it's popped loose or something. Hopefully it hadn't broken off. So anyway, just a quickie.